Hey guys, we are going for library now.
So this is also the first time for us going to the library, and this is the way from AB1 academic block 1 to library. And in the previous video, as we have seen, there we have a tennis court, basketball court, and this side is athletic field, football field, everything here we have. This is the playing area, basically outdoor sports, and this is the pathway. And as we know, every pathway here has a lot of greenery, green campus it is called of सो हमारा जो ग्रीन कैंपस है ये हर जगह यहाँ पर पेड़ होता है, रेगुलर मेंटेनेंस, मतलब आप देखोगे हर टाइम लोग काम करते ही करते रहते हैं। और ग्रीन कैंपस मतलब सुपर ग्रीन कैंपस है, आपको यहाँ पर बहुत ही मतलब बहुत ही बढ़िया फील होगा। तो देखते हैं कितने दिन आप यहाँ पर सस्टेन कर पाते हो। तो यू लुक एट द रूफ हियर, एवरी pathway is with having roof because of regular rains in Chennai. So you know, in last 1 month we are having regular rains. So I also thought to make a video on rain, but let it be to another day. So we are not traveling, just walking to the library. Okay, तो मज़े करते हुए जा रहे हैं हम दोनों लाइब्रेरी के लिए। पहली बार, अभी तक हम कैंपस में आ चुके हैं बहुत दिनों से, पर कभी भी लाइब्रेरी का चेहरा नहीं देखा था। तो सच बात आप लोगों को बता दें कि एग्ज़ाम आ रहा है, इसलिए लाइब्रेरी पे जा रहे हैं। और ये जो है सेंट्रल लाइब्रेरी है विथ अराउंड 2 लाख बुक फैसिलिटी। पता नहीं एग्जैक्ट नंबर, हमें भी पता नहीं, ये हमें इंटरनेट के सोर्स से मिला, आप लोगों को भी मिल सकता है। अराउंड 2 लाख तक आई थिंक है। और इंजीनियरिंग बच्चों के लिए सफिशेंट बुक्स हैं, साइंस के लिए भी बहुत सारे बुक्स हैं, बट इतने अमाउंट में नहीं है, जो बुक्स का अमाउंट इतना नहीं है। तो वी कैन से दैट वी आर ट्रैवलिंग। सो let's see where we go. So this side is the front part of the campus where main gate is there. So near main gate the library is there, and beautiful lawn is also there. So we are going on that side, and this is the MGR statue area where Mr. MGR's statue is here. So we are just traveling, and look at the street lights, man. Every street light is having solar panel. So it's very beautiful to see, and it's a eco campus also, and statue is also golden statue, very beautiful, man. Every time I come across this road, it's like a enthralling experience. And this main gate area is also like well maintained. Every area is well maintained in VIT Chennai. Nothing will you find, no dirt, nothing. They also clean the roads every day. Okay, too much of maintenance.
Yeah, you are also one of the toppers. You can say something.
No, not at all. Sorry.
Say, man, say.
Exams are coming, that's why I'm going to the library.
Nice.
Otherwise, I don't mind the library.
Nice.
After 2 years, I'm going to the library.
तो ये है अपना मेन गेट। यहाँ से बाहर का नज़ारा देखने को मिल जाता है थोड़ा थोड़ा। ऊपर देखिए विंड मिल कितने ज़ोर से घूम रहा है, तो आपको यहाँ पर हवा का अंदाज़ा हो सकता है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा हवा होता है यहाँ पर। और ये है फ्रंट लॉन जो कि वेल मेंटेन, वेल फर्निश्ड है। तो ये है अपना सेंट्रल लाइब्रेरी का गेट। तो चल रहे हैं, बहुत सारे बच्चे हैं वहाँ पर, तो देखते हैं क्या है अपना बंदोबस्त यहाँ पर। So one side is administrative building, and another side is central library. Lot of students, generally day scholars with deep blue color ID cards, they go to library in the day because they don't have other places to spend. Why to spend your time in canteen? You can study in library, so they come here. So we are going to enter. First time we are entering. This side is administrative block, and this is our central library. So let's see how to enter. So I think ID card will work. These are digital locking systems like in airports and metro stations. This style is obtained here also. So we can use our thumb or ID card. Now only it is using ID card, I think. So let's see. Let's go what happens. Let's see. So first things first, let me turn over my ID card. So it will take your ID cards backside only, because there is your signature and digital thumbprint. So let me try to open. Okay, this millimeter is working, so it's open for me, I think. No, Gopi is trying his fingerprint, it's also not opening.
Back side.
Yeah, back.
We are trying different ways to open the gate, but it's not opening. Oh, finally opened for me with the back of the ID card. So let's go. Ma Saraswati, first thing in the library, we can put a namaskaram to her and go upstairs. So this first floor, ground floor, is the reading room and information room. Here is there is an counter for book issue and return counter is outside. I will show them. Okay, this is the first floor, and less amount of books are here with some magazines and something, less amount of books, and the lift is also here. So I don't want to disturb here, so I am making this video after dubbing in my room, so I can't disturb people here while studying. So let's see how the dubbing goes. I never dubbed some videos, so it's very difficult to do. So here is a Xerox shop, here is a cold water thing. So law library is at 3rd floor. We will show you that also. So let's have some water. Let's check the glass how it is. So too heavy, man. Glass is too heavy, super heavy glass. Too heavy glass and too dirty also. So we are not drinking water. Too dirty. Okay, keep it. Let's go. By not drinking the water, first floor we will review. Then we will go to the second floor. Check the first floor. Not this first floor. Okay, Bikram Sarabhai, you know, is a very renowned scientist, very renowned chemist and physicist. So the origin of Indian science. So we are coming to the second floor now by stairs. So first floor is like nothing. It is the extended ground floor. Ground floor is too big, so you can look. It is occupying 2 floors size, but too big ground floor. So green campus, everywhere trees. Here Prasant Chandra, Dr. Scientist. So we are entering to the library, keeping our noise very less. So I am dubbing after that. So any inconvenience, sorry for any inconvenience. Here the subject of data structure, here the subject of computer designing and all. So you can check your part and take a screenshot. Different types of subject in the first floor I am showing you. Like this in every shelf it is there. Every type of subject is here. So I can't cover all the shelves here. Lot of shelves as you know, 2 lakhs books. And studying area also there, studying cabin, studying area, everything is there. Here we come to our chemistry part. So we have organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry, analytical chemistry, everything we have. Let's check what we have here. So while going for check, I come across my physical chemistry. So first exam we have physical chemistry. We want Atkins, but there what I got from information that there is not many Atkins book present. So let's see what we get. 11 lot of 11 books are present. एंड अदर बुक्स, बाकी सारे बुक्स के बारे में थोड़ा हिंदी कमेंट्री भी हो जाए अभी. बाकी सारे बुक्स के बारे में यहाँ पर गोपीचंद को अटकिन मिल गई है और वो अटकिन लेके एग्ज़ाम में आग लगाने वाला है. बाकी हमको क्या मिलता है देखते हैं, क्या मिलता है क्या नहीं मिलता है. कोशिश करते हैं अटकिन्स ढूंढने के लिए. और ये जो है ये है कैबिन आपके लाइब्रेरी में. आप यहाँ पर आके पढ़ सकते हो इंडिविजुअली या फिर ग्रुप स्टडी कर सकते हो. कैबिन का डोर बंद करके, डोर खुला करके, आपका मर्जी है. और इंडिविजुअली भी पढ़ सकते हो. ये है अपना फिजिक्स का एरिया, क्वांटम फिजिक्स, ऑप्टिक्स, एवरीथिंग इज़ हियर. सो यहाँ पर जो इंडिविजुअल कंपार्टमेंट्स है आप देख सकते हो. ये जो है अपने मैगज़ीन के लिए और मेडिसिनल केमिस्ट्री के लिए, जो कि मेरा फेवरेट एरिया है मेडिसिनल केमिस्ट्री. और ये जो है छोटे छोटे कंपार्टमेंट्स में बटा हुआ है. मेडिसिनल केमिस्ट्री में देखिए इतने सारे, बहुत कम बुक्स हैं, पर जो भी है अच्छे होंगे शायद. मैंने पढ़ा नहीं मेडिसिनल केमिस्ट्री के बारे में, मैं सिर्फ जर्नल अभी रेफर कर रहा हूँ. सो लेट्स सी व्हाट इज़ इनसाइड. These are the different type of preparation books for GATE. Not many new books, old editions, but you can check. If you want to study, we have internet, and this is also the studying area. Different individual cabins are there. Look, individual benches, individual chairs are there. So we can study here. A lot of area people are studying. They left leaving their books and going to collect different books and study. So very much competitive environment here. So you will be encouraged to study a lot of Pearson books, university chemistry, general chemistry, all BSc and engineering books are here. MSc books are also here, everything. And I will show you the reference book section of chemistry. You will be amazed. Every chemistry book in Indian reference system is here. Okay, that is for faculty I think, but we can issue that part also. Every chemistry book, higher to higher authors is there. So we can check out that part also. Every publication, every book is available here, most of them. Engineering part I am not focusing. If any of you want to specifically know what books of your department or your a stream is available, then I can make a separate video. As of I am from chemistry, so I am focusing on organic, physical, inorganic and analytical chemistry. So there are a lot of books. So here Clayden book is also there. I will take that. Please nobody take the Clayden book. Please guys, please. Nobody issue the Clayden book. I will issue that. Okay, thank you. See you in the part 2.